Welcome to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name is Nadia, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So in this video, I want to just go ahead and kind of let you know it's a vlog style kind of video, but the topic is work-life balance. How do you guys correlate or relate to work-life balance? Let me know, put in the comments. So some of the things that I do to have work-life balance is to try to make my day balance every single day. And you can call this self-preservation or self-alignment. So I try to get to know what I like and what I don't like, what brings me joy, what doesn't bring me joy, evaluate how much energy I have and what I need to feel balanced. Sometimes you might not always be balanced, but my goal is to try to incorporate as much balance as possible. So, like if I know that I'm going to work certain days, I think to myself, I have to work tonight or I have to work tomorrow. Let me make sure that I get some rest. Let me make sure that I get some sleep, because if I'm not well rested and I try to go to work, then I'm not going to feel balanced. I'm not going to feel alignment. So most times anybody that goes to work, you should have some energy. And if you're able to get sleep, everybody's situation is different. Sometimes you have to go through it when you're tired, depending on if you have kids or family or if you have 2 jobs or 3 jobs. I don't know everybody's lifestyle, but let's just find things that you can do that you can control. So that's what I try to do. I try to make sure that I'm well rested. I try to make sure that I'm well nourished. And that's how I have the balance with work. I try to make sure I have a positive mindset, try to make sure that I'm prepared when I go to work and do everything that I need to do. So that's my balance at work. And I might even bring some things from home, like a piece of cake or whatever. And then on my days off, I find things that I like to do. So I like to bake, I like to cook, I like to go to the park, I like to exercise, I like to do activities. So I'll try to incorporate some of those activities on my days off. And I also like to have a pleasant home and for things to be clean, pleasant when I'm home, and that makes me feel better. So that's what my work-life balance is right now, and it's continuously being changed, it's continuously being tweaked, and that's okay. One day I might decide this is working, the next day I might decide that's working, and that's how I have my work-life balance. But at the end of the day, really it's more about balancing me as a person, figuring out who I am, what I like. So yeah, in this video, you guys are gonna see some of the things that I've been doing while I was off, and that's working on painting. It's been bringing me a lot of joy and a lot of peace and a lot of happiness. Baking, and like every weekend I start thinking about what do I want to bake. And I want to be more consistent with it. So yeah, I want to be more consistent. Most times I just want to find something to do that brings me joy. So one week it might be baking, one week it might be painting, the next week it might be singing, the next week after that it might be dancing. There's no correct formula. It's my life, and I can do things how I want to do it. If it brings me joy, if it doesn't hurt anybody, if it's peaceful, then why not try it? So that's kind of the stage that I'm at right now. And then we went to the fair, which was really fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and kind of work through the vlog. See you guys. Bye. Okay, good morning. So after this is what I used to do all the time. And honestly, usually, every time I do any yoga or meditate, like water comes from my eyes. It just comes, my eyes get watery. I'm not crying. I'm not emotional, but every time I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up. Start my day. It needs to be dark in here while I sleep. So, okay. All right, it's just gonna be regular morning stuff. Wash my face, brush my teeth, and then I will drink my coffee. I know, or I should drink water or something else. Usually the first thing I do is drink my coffee and journal. So let me get ready and I'll see you guys then. It happened again. My eyes just, it's not like I'm not crying, but it's like I'm released. I'm yawning now because it just relaxes me like so much, and it like, so I had to do a lot of extra stuff to get myself mentally, physically, and emotionally ready for the shift, you know, and keep moving. Life is beautiful, life is simple, life is good, and no matter what the circumstance you're in, if you just focus on being alive, then knowing that we're here just to live and appreciating that, things are good. And also, what I'm trying to convey as well is just like doing whatever you need to do to help you be more present. All right, so it is now 4:15, so I guess I need to go ahead and actually shower and get ready for work and make something to eat or go get something to eat. Alrighty. To go order the number 4. No, sorry. Okay, going to work. So all I did was put a little concealer on, blush on my cheeks, and blush on my eyeshadows and my little lipstick. And I think that's good. Just straight to the point. Oh, and I did I penciled in my eyebrows. So that's it for the look. And I decided to put this on my head because I don't know, lately, I don't know. I just feel comfortable. I like putting sometimes things on my head, or I grew a habit doing that, so now I like doing it. And it matches my top, so it's cute. All right, so I'm about to go get my Mexican food, and I will be ready to start working. I'm a little nervous. All right. Okay, so it's time for me to go ahead and drive to work. I didn't cook, but one thing about work is when you're working this job and this career, you have to be there mentally, physically, emotionally, and you need to have food in your system. You need to be strong, you know. And so that's what I'm doing right now, and you just have to like be ready because you never know what's gonna happen, and you want to be like not like you don't want to go to work thinking about food or being hungry because then you can't focus on what you need to focus on. And the job that I have, you can't just go to the break room and eat and stuff if things need to be done. Like it's time sensitive. So yeah. I am making sure I'm taking care of myself and eating good so I won't be hungry while I'm working. Now I'm about to clock in. Good morning. So, yep, I'm gonna take a 1-mile walk and then I'm gonna go home, make myself a nice little breakfast, and call it a morning. Alrighty, see you guys when we get home. Bye. Oh. morning, you guys. It's August 26th. I'm exhausted. They going back to work. And of course, work was chaotic and very busy. So oh my God. I'm so tired. It's not even funny. Like, I was like just tired. And I got some coffee to like help perk me up because I don't want to go straight to sleep. I want to like relax a little bit before I go to sleep. Anyways, you know what? I will see you guys. This is my morning and I'm about to go to bed, and I will see you when I wake up. Bye. And the food is here. Hey you guys, today is Saturday. I'm feeling better and I'm excited because we're gonna go to the fair. It's like 2:15. We're gonna leave around 5:30 or 5. It depends on like what the mood is. So yeah. And I don't know why. I guess we're just having a late start, but this is our lunch. I have whatever. Hold on. Let me just flip the camera. My favorite Oscars, chicken tostada and chicken tingy enchilada, rice and beans. It's the crunch for me. The crunch. Oh my God, it's like zoomed in my face. Okay, let's back this thing up. That's better. Okay, so Jeremy's sleeping. I'm getting bored. Look at the little birds I drew. Water paint. That's like my new little activity. So we're gonna leave at 5:30.
Applying lots of water to the page. I've pretty much got it kind of wet, at least in some spots, and I've just colored in the entirety of the bird with clear water. Now, the reason that I want to do this is because wet on wet gives this very beautiful natural feathering technique. And there we go. So I've got my brown, a cool brown mixed up, and you can see as I apply it to that.
I'm gonna go ahead and show you half of the work on one bird. I like it, and it made me happy. So I just gotta work on this bird and this background, and I'll show you how it looks when I do it. Finally, after 5 hours, we have made it. 5 hours. This better be worth it. This better be worth it. Hey guys, so we're at the state fair. How are you doing? Just looking at the animals. I guess some of these are for sale if people have farms or whatever. So yeah. Not bad. Jeremy, you ready to eat some good sheep to eat? Which one would I want?
Because when they pull their neck up like that, it forces them to straighten their back up and set their feet.
Yummy.
Dropshire was Addie Stevenson with the senior Ram Lamb. Other breeds wool.
Ooh. Interesting. Wow, these cows are big. Look how big they are. Wow. Look at this. What are these? So, you guys, if you don't know anything about the South, okay, you need to get some fried green tomato. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. So this is the secret sauce. I did not expect, you see, you never know what you're gonna find at a fair. Oh, this is hot. It just came straight out the, make you wanna slap your mama. Okay, let me get off of this. Y'all, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Okay, so it is around midnight and we are very tired. We had a good time. We got a couple rides, so we're gonna call it a night. So bye, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the fair. All right, you guys, if you made it to the end, I want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was entertaining as well as valuable. Alrighty, you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.